Hey folks, today I'm going to look at a broken wing butterfly on Tesla. Just a reminder, this is not financial advice or a trade recommendation, but Tesla's had a great run lately. It's gone from about 400 up to nearly 600. And I'm thinking maybe upside's going to be a little bit limited from here. And I was just toying around with an idea of a broken wing butterfly. So walking you through the trade, we're buying the 700 call, selling the 720, skipping the 740 strike and buying the 760. That generates about $220 in premium, and the maximum risk is about 1780. So the ideal scenario, it's a neutral to slightly bearish trade. We've got slightly negative delta here, -2 delta, -1300 delta dollars. So roughly equivalent to being short 2 shares of Tesla. And ideally, we'd just like Tesla to remain where it is and not go up by too much. But we've also got this potential profit zone up here between about 700 and 740. We just don't want the stock to get up there too quickly. So with a trade like this, I'd set a stop loss at around similar to the premium that's being received, 220. So probably around 220, 250. That comes in here around if Tesla made it up to 680 today, which I doubt it's going to do, but you never know with Tesla, right? So a little bit of an income trade, but a little bit of risk on the upside as well if it does continue rallying really strongly. And if we just go out a little bit in time, this was for January expiry. If we go out to say mid-December, a couple of weeks from now, yeah, still not seeing a lot of profit there. Sometimes these lines aren't 100% accurate with IB, but if we go a little bit further out, maybe the end of the month, yeah, you can see we're starting to generate a little bit of income here. I think this line's going to be a fair bit higher in reality, but that was just an idea I was toying with and wanted to walk you through that broken wing butterfly using calls on Tesla. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.